Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making one of my father's favorites, cranberry pineapple smoked ham. This ham is so succulent, it will have you eating off the bone. Okay, this here is a smoked bone-in spiral sliced ham. We're going to go ahead and unwrap it and get it started. Okay, so here we have our smoked ham in the pot. The first thing we need to do is season it. I got some barbecue rub that I'm just going to sprinkle right on top. A leg of ham can feed a crowd of people, so this is perfect for the holidays.
Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Fill my heart with song when I could sing.
Kind of pat it in, make sure it's soaked in properly. So now we're going to take some apple cider vinegar. We're going to pour some in a spray bottle and dilute it with water. You're going to spritz the ham intermittently with apple cider vinegar to add moisture and to tenderize the meat and add sweetness. Next, you're going to cover it with aluminum foil. Or you can cover it with a top if it's big enough to cover it. And we're going to pop this in the oven for about an hour and a half. On 350. So while the ham is baking, we're going to go ahead and make our cranberry pineapple sauce. Here we have a bag of fresh cranberries. These are fresh cranberries, so I'm going to rinse them off. And drain them. Okay, so here we have 1 cup of pineapple juice. I drained it from a 20-ounce can of pineapples. I added a little bit of water to make 1 cup. And I have a 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Okay, on medium heat, we're going to pour the pineapple juice in the saucepan. Add your brown sugar. Then stir to dissolve the sugar. Now you can add your cranberries. Return to a boil. Lower the heat and simmer for 10 minutes or until most of the cranberries have burst. It has started to thicken and it smells so divine. Okay, after about 20 minutes, it's done. Remove the pot from the heat. Here's the consistency. Let it cool completely at room temperature. Then transfer to a bowl to chill in the refrigerator. The cranberry sauce will continue to thicken as it cools. Okay, it's been an hour and a half. We took it out of the oven. And we're going to spray it again with more of your apple cider vinegar and water mix. Cover it back up. Put it back in the oven for another hour and a half. And look how beautiful it looks. Oh my goodness. So now we're just going to add our cranberry sauce to the mix. So now that the ham is fully covered with sauce, we're going to pop it into the oven for about 20 minutes. I appreciate you all for stopping by and for all your love and support.